Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a stunning 5 bedroom, 6 bathroom home for sale. It offers a perfect blend of elegance, comfort, and functionality. It is located in the prestigious community of Plantation Village, Runaway Bay, St. Anne. The land size is 0.67 acres and the home was built in 2010. The entrance is marked by a beautiful landscaped roundabout with a well grand fountain, setting the tone for upscale living. The neighborhood is serene, featuring well maintained roads, lush greenery, and a secure environment. This home is completely solar powered, providing energy independence and reducing utility costs. A private water well ensures a consistent, self reliant water supply, adding to the home's sustainability. Featuring high exposed wooden ceilings, elegant mahogany cabinetry, and a large island, this kitchen is perfect for entertaining and the daily family life. Large windows fill the space with natural light, creating a warm living atmosphere. Each of the 6 bathrooms is designed with style and comfort in mind. The home features a mix of modern and traditional design elements, offering ample room for both relaxation and entertainment. Call today to arrange viewing or make an offer. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 1.1 million, Jamaican 173.5 million, Canadian 1.57 million, Euro 1 million, or 854.9 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.